Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's Leah with Skin Beautiful RX. I'm a licensed esthetician, and my YouTube channel is created and dedicated to making sure you have all the information you need to make an educated decision when purchasing your skincare. Today's video is basically like a buyer's guide for our Black Friday sale. We are doing 30% off with tiered gifts with purchase, which I'll put a link below because we have some amazing tiered gifts this year, just like we do every year, and we're really excited because we know you guys are going to love them. So make sure you check that out before you make a purchase because it does go in increments on how much you spend. So we're really excited about it. So hopefully you guys love everything. Now, the products I'm going to talk about today, I decided to do treatment products because when I originally wanted to make this video, I was going to do cleansers, toners, vitamin C's, DNA repair, everything, and I was like, oh my god, this is going to be like 10 hours long. When I started it, it was. And then I was like, you know what, let me stop. I'm going to start over. I'm going to do 5 products. And these are all treatment products that every single person watching this can use because they're all great for all skin types, no matter if you're oily, dry, sensitive, no matter what you're trying to treat. These are all going to complement and change your skin. Now, if you don't see a product that you know I love on the list, there's maybe multiple reasons, including that brand may not have wanted to be a part of our 30% sale, so I did not include any products that you wouldn't be able to get 30% off of. So I really wanted to hone in on really great products that maybe are a little more expensive, but you're going to see huge results, and during our best sale of the year, 30% off, it's like the perfect time to get them. So this is my buyer's guide, top 5 products to purchase during Black Friday. First product is Truth Treatment's 5% Serum. This is by far my favorite retinol ever created. I've been using this since it came out. Actually, since before it came out, I was actually a part of the testing for this product, so I got it about 4 or 5 months before it even hit the market, and I've been using it ever since. If you want a high dose prescription strength, this is going to be prescription strength without a prescription, better than your tretinoin, better than your Retin-A, better than anything you can get with a prescription, without a prescription, without the redness, without the flaky, without the peeling, and you want real results, this is the retinol for you. Not only is this a 5% slow release, it uses a delivery system called Fullerness, which is going to effectively transport the 5% through every single layer of your skin in a slow time release fashion. This also has 25% THD or tetrahexyldecyl sorbate vitamin C in it. So this is a multi-use product or multi-treatment targeted product. You're going to see a difference in fine lines and wrinkles. You're going to see a difference in tautness of the skin. You're going to see great brightening effects with the retinol as well as the vitamin C. As we know, vitamin A stimulates collagen. It improves our ability to heal wounds. It promotes natural skin hydration, and at 5%, basically it's like compounding all of that to even do it quicker, to do it better, and to do it faster. There is truly no better retinol, in my opinion, on the market than the Truth Treatment's 5% serum. You need 1 drop, maybe 2 drops, with a little bit of mist, completely massage it into the skin, and you only have to use this a few times a week. Now, if you're a little bit apprehensive, there is a 1% serum that you can also use daily if you are somebody who wants to use retinol every single day. I'll link that one below, but my top pick for our Black Friday sale, not number 1, this is in no order, but my top retinol product would definitely be the Truth Treatment's 5%. I almost feel kind of bad because you guys probably already know what I'm going to recommend because these are all products that I use throughout the year in my own routine, AM and PM, but there's a reason that I'm recommending these. It's because I know they work. With that being said, the next product is NeoGenesis Recovery. This one's actually empty. I need to go get the 30 ml. Now's the time to get the 30 ml at 30% off. This is the 10 ml. I do prefer the packaging on the 30 ml as well. But NeoGenesis Recovery is a growth factor product. Why do we need growth factors? Well, it rejuvenates the skin, it tightens, it completely restores youthful skin. Why I love NeoGenesis Recovery is because it's an exceptional product, not only in what it does for the skin, but how it's made, how it's formulated, and it's oncology approved. If you've watched my scar video, you guys know I use this post-cancer treatment to help my scar. Without it, I know it would look much worse. So this definitely helped to heal my scar post-cancer. However, as an everyday anti-aging product, its ability to rejuvenate the skin, to tighten pores, truly amazing for somebody like me who has rosacea, sensitive skin. You're going to see a complete reduction in inflammation, in acne, in pigmentation, and this is just an amazing growth factor product. This not only uses human fibroblast conditioned media, but also human stem cell conditioned media. Not a lot of growth factors use both, and you need both because one feeds the other. So when you have them both in one product, you're going to get even better results because they work together. One feeds the other, which then feeds your results. The ingredients in Recovery actually tell your skin to proliferate or multiply and divide so that the firmness can be restored, so that the brightness can be restored, so that laxity can be fixed. So I love NeoGenesis Recovery so much. This is a highly potent product. There are other growth factor products from NeoGenesis. The reason I like this one is it's because it has the highest amount of the media that you need for anti-aging, for treatment. So if you're somebody that you're just trying to maybe keep looking the way you look, then you know you could probably try booster or skin serum. But if you have advanced aging, if you have rosacea, and you really want to kick your anti-aging results up a notch, definitely pick Recovery. Lastly, what I want to say about Recovery, because I love it so much, is that it actually creates a homeostatic environment in your skin. And not just the top layer of skin, the epidermis, but it actually in the dermis and hypodermis. So every single layer of your skin is going to benefit from this product with tightening, with collagen production. So this is a super safe growth factor for all people. My most talked about product definitely is Osmosis Rescue. I can't make a video of my most loved products without speaking about it. It is always my favorite product. It's something I use consistently and love so much. Why do you need it in your routine? Well, there's nothing like it on the market. It is an oxygenated serum that actually uses a patented ingredient that you can't find in any other product to completely transform your skin. I mean, you will feel your skin change within like the first use. Like it would just feel different. It protects against blue light. It protects against hyperpigmentation. It actually helps to break up pigment in a non-hydroquinone way to rid your skin of pigment so your complexion is clear. Who I really love this product for, again, is somebody with redness, somebody with inflammation. Amazing product for acneic skin. If you have acne, you have to have Rescue. If you want a great spot treatment, Rescue. If you have rosacea, Rescue. If you just want to protect your skin and give it oxygen, Rescue. I can't love this product enough. It also has guava, which is an anti-inflammatory ingredient and also protects against oxidative damage. This is great to put on every morning because it protects against blue light. So if you're somebody who sits in front of a monitor, is on your phone a lot, any type of things that are projecting blue light, you're going to want this product. Also has Octalis, which helps stabilize your barrier. If you have impaired barrier function, this is going to be a great product. So not only is it going to treat all these skin conditions, acne, rosacea, aging, it's great for firming. You can put this on the lids. You can put this all over, and it actually helps to rebind the layers of skin, because as we age, they start to slide off of each other. This helps put them back together and firm everything back up. So there's not a product like this on the market for a reason. Osmosis has the patented ingredient, but it is my favorite because it treats everything. It smells weird, but I promise you will get used to it and love it. So number 3 is Osmosis Rescue. The next product I actually don't have, I don't know why, I can't find it anywhere, maybe my husband has it, is the Calecim Multi-Action Cream. I'm going to put a photo right here for you guys. It comes in a jar. It's a like really nice growth factor cream. Now when I say that, you should not feel this on your skin. I feel like it gets overused a lot. You need the tiniest pea-sized amount. Rub it all into your skin. You should not feel this product. If you use too much, you're just wasting it because the skin can only absorb so much growth factor proteins, as we know. That's why we always want them to go on first. And with that being said, this has over 3,000 growth factor proteins in it. So we want to make sure that we're using it properly. However, the reason I have to talk about this product, because for mature skin, a lot of my viewers, a lot of my clients have mature skin. This is, without a doubt, my favorite product to treat laxity and firmness. So if you have lost the triangle, the youthful triangle, as we hear about, you need this product. I have never seen a product yank your face back up the way multi-action cream can do. If you have nasolabial folds, which are right here, if you have marionette lines, which are right here, there is nothing better to help smooth those out than multi-action cream. This is by far, like I said, the anti-aging, like, holy grail if you already have severe signs of aging, age-related damage, as well as hyperpigmentation. In the multi-action cream, there are 3 different proteins. They include growth factors, cytokines, and peptides. As we know, peptides on their own are super firming. Of course, growth factors and cytokines work together to create this robust anti-aging firming treatment. And like I said, there's over 3,000 proteins just in this one product. It will not only, like I said, yank your face back up, it's like Spanx for the face, but it actually helps to re-densify and thicken skin. Again, something I see in my older clients, more mature clients who have age-related damage, had a lot of sun exposure, didn't treat their skin correctly growing up, didn't use a lot of skincare, and they really show that thinness, the crepiness, and this product will help to not only tighten, but re-densify and re-thicken the skin. Using this 2 times a day, you will see a change in 3 to 4 weeks with laxity as well as pigmentation. So I have to absolutely talk about the multi-action cream. If you are somebody who has laxity as well as loss of firmness and thinning skin, have to have this product. Okay, so last product, and while the 4 before this were all some of our best-selling products, ones I personally use myself, have used myself in the past, or currently use that I absolutely love, or are our most reviewed products. The next one, I wanted to switch it up a little bit because this is our #1 selling product so far through Black Friday, and that is the Revision DEJ Boosting Serum. There's a reason it's our most sold product so far this week, is because it is crazy. Just like everything else I talked about, there's nothing else like it on the market. And I love talking about these types of products because everything I just talked about, you can't duplicate, replicate in any other product. There's no dupe. There is nothing like these products. They're all patented, and that means you can't find these ingredients anywhere else, and these ingredients have been clinically studied and the results speak for themselves. So I did just do a video last week on the DEJ Boosting Serum, but just to recap, because I don't want to get boring, this is the only topical product on the market that not only stimulates ATP through their patented ingredient, which is a sunflower sprout, but it also redensifies and thickens skin in 12 weeks by 24%. Like I mentioned earlier, collagen is our key structural component to our skin, and in 12 weeks, this stimulated collagen production by 67%. It's crazy, like truly crazy. You usually get results like that from a device. This is a topical twice-a-day product, 67% in 12 weeks, like just blows my mind. This not only has their patented ingredient for firming and lifting, but it also has peptides. It has THD, or tetrahexyldecylaxyl sorbate, which is a great form of vitamin C for sensitive skin. It's oil soluble, so it's not going to be irritating, and it's great for acne. So you're going to get great results for hyperpigmentation and melasma from this product also. This also has natural hyaluronic acid and a great amount of postbiotics. So you are effectively treating the skin on multiple levels for anti-aging with this one product. Like, I love it. I've been using this for, I think, since October. I love it. And the reactions I'm getting within just a few days of people getting this product, using it for just a few days, they already see an luminosity to their skin. And when you wait that 12 weeks, you're going to see a total change in the way your skin feels, its thickness, and just the overall look and density of it. So I had to talk about this product, even though I just did last week. Sorry if I'm boring. But I also wanted to tell you guys, every single product I just reviewed, I'm going to link a dedicated product or dedicated video down below that I have already done on it, that if you really want to get to the nitty-gritty of all the ingredients, you're going to want to watch those videos. But I hope this was a quick, very informative topical treatment serums and a cream that you guys should definitely consider when shopping for Black Friday if you want a super safe, super effective, great for all skin types treatment for anti-aging and brightening for everybody. So let me know what questions you have below. Let me know what you picked up in our sale, what you're planning to pick up. And thank you guys so much. It's our favorite time of the year because we love giving back. So I hope you guys also love those free gifts. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.